Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cherry cake in the Instant Pot. Let's do it! The first thing I'm going to do is take a Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge cake mix. I'm going to add a chocolate instant pudding mix into the mixer bowl. I'm going to mix in 3 eggs that have already been beaten with a half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil. Now I'm going to turn my mixer on and blend it all together. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of chocolate mini morsels. Now we're going to add in 1 can of cherry pie filling. We'll mix that all together. Now we're going to fill our pans with the cake batter. By the way, my pan was already lined with parchment paper. Then I put Crisco and flour inside it so that my cake will not stick. Now I'm going to put the lid on top. And we're going to put our double steam pans inside its cradle. Click it in place it inside our Instant Pot. I have the Instant Pot set on pressure high for 40 minutes. Yours may be a different panel and it may say manual. So now let's get the lid on. You want to make sure that your venting valve is on sealed. So we're going to let it cook for 40 minutes and then we will let it self-release and we'll come back and check our cake. The Instant Pot cooked for 40 minutes and now it has done a self-release for 16 minutes, and I'm going to do a quick release for the rest and check our cake. Nope, not near ready. We're going to have to put it back in. Turn it back on for 20 minutes, then we'll come back and check our cake. Yep, looks pretty good. I've made several cakes in the Instant Pot, but this is not one of my better ones. I have a feeling it's going to taste wonderful, but it kind of like really built up in the pot and ran over a little bit, and then when it was done it kind of sunk down. So if anybody has an idea as to why that happened, I'd love to hear. But let's do a taste test. Very moist. Kind of reminds me of a brownie actually, like a brownie with cherry flavor in it. It is pretty good, but to be honest with you, when I make this again, I'm gonna make it in my oven. It can be made in the Instant Pot, but I think this cake is better in the oven. But it's not a waste, still be able to eat it. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.